Welcome to my channel Gosia Art on Cooking. Today I will show you how we can turn leftover turkey to delicious salad. We need just few ingredients and you can enjoy this amazing salad for your lunch, breakfast or dinner. And let's get started. First part, I will bake a turkey. If you like bigger pieces of turkey, you can make a bigger size. I have about 2 cups of turkey. Turkey is chopped. I will transfer turkey to the bowl. Next step, 3 boiling eggs. Salad is so simple. A little bit chopping. Oh, the salad is so delicious. And now I will transfer boiling eggs to turkey. Next step, celery. I like crunch of celery. Celery will give my salad very nice green color. Now I will transfer celery to the bowl. I have 1 cup of corn. Adding corn to my salad. And next I will chop green onion. Will be about half a cup of green onion, chopped green onion. Now I will transfer green onion. And the last part, green parsley. Bring my green parsley to salad. Beautiful. And the last part, 2 cups of cooked rice. And combine these ingredients together. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, black pepper, and salt. And now I'll combine all these ingredients. Look at this salad, looks beautiful. You can see the colors, green, delicious yellow corn, and fantastic baked turkey. We don't waste any food. So when we have leftover turkey, we can make salad. Look at the salad. Let me just try. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Very nice, delicate salad. You can eat for breakfast, lunch or dinner. 1 bowl meal. Turkey and rice salad is done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out and see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.